this was on code. And when I mean on code, like I was not burning it. Like left the house, blew out the candle. I still smelled it all over the house. It is such a good watermelon smelling candle. Hello, ladies, and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today, guys, I have a little haul for you. Remember I told you that I had some Bath & Body Works products that I got online for the first day of SAS. And then I also visit a Victoria's Secret, so I have a small haul from there. So just gonna put them together and so you all can see what I got. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Hi family, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, please. Go ahead, we are growing this family, cousins, sisters, bruh, uncle, we are growing this family, and I'm so appreciative and I love seeing all of you all join. Please remember to comment and give me the thumbs up. If you give me the thumbs up, that means my video gets to be seen a little more. So help a sister out. Help your sister out. This is not going to be a long video, but I just want to show you all what I got from SAS for Bath & Body Works online, okay? So, Bath & Body Works, I got a few candles. One of them was the cinnamon spice vanilla and Paris Cafe. But this is the two candles that they put together, and I really do love this scent. I love a good old Paris Cafe. Like, it's a very much a coffee smell, and I do love it. It's very prominent in the house. I am a coffee lover, so so I don't mind the coffee smell. But it gives you rich roasted coffee, vanilla cream, ground cinnamon. Also has sugar crystals with a natural essential oil. So does give you that cinnamon. I think this is a great combination that they created for a candle. So I cannot wait to burn this. Okay. Next candle I received, the Market Peach and Strawberry Pound Cake candle. So this is this. Again, it's two different scented candles mixed in together. This is amazing. If you did not pick this up, sis, bruh, pick it up. Like, even if you are a man living, like a single man living in your home and you are a dating single man, I don't care. Cover it up with something else. But if your house is smelling like this, she's going to be like, oh, okay. I see you like to keep up with your home, okay? So get this, okay? No matter what. Anyway, it is on a fruity side, and it does have the strawberry pound cake, so it is cakey scent. But juicy peaches, golden shortcake whipped cream. So again, really good. I cannot wait to burn that as well. Moving on, the other candle I got was the toasted pineapple marshmallow. Honey, I love a pineapple and a marshmallow. So this I had to get. And it smells so good. So fresh pineapple, milk chocolate. Oh, that's what that is. Toasty marshmallow graham cracker. Oh my gosh. Oh, because of the toasted. Because I was smelling a little bit of chocolate in there. Oh my gosh. So this is like your chocolate covered pineapple. Oh my gosh. Fat girl moment. Honey, I need that now. Somebody go out and give me a pineapple, chocolate covered pineapple right now. It does. It gives you that toasty smell, that pineapple, that juicy. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, I'm excited to burn this. Okay. I'm excited for that. All right. Also, let me go left. You know, your sis goes left, gets off subject real quick. I have to go back to this candle I've been talking about. This sour melon drop. I've heard some other content creators talk about this already. Honey boo boo, if you have not heard it, hear from your sis right now, today. This right here. This is so good. Honey, this was on code. And when I mean on code, like I was not burning it. Like left the house, blew out the candle. I still smelled it all over the house. It is such a good watermelon smelling candle. Get you this now. I have not seen this on sale yet. Because they know what they're doing. They want all of our coins. Anyway, but I have not seen this on sale yet. But best believe your sis is looking for this every day. Maybe every other day. Okay, I'm going to tell you the truth. Every day I'm looking for this to go on sale. Oh my gosh. This is a must. The next candle day, the next sale, your sis is picking up 2. And I normally am not the candle girl and picking up 2 and a backup. And I'm just not that. I'm more like fragrance. Okay. But candles, I really don't do that for. This, honey, this is a winner. Get this. If you are into candles, get this. I promise you, you need this in your life. That's all I'm going to say. Whew. All right. Now, all the other products that I got. So, remember I said I got another rainbow cereal soap. Your sis don't need another soap. But I got another one. It smells so good. Like, really, this smells like Fruit Loops. I'm going to open it up and smell it again. But this is cereal. This is what it is. Rainbow cereal. They must be talking about Fruit Loops. Or, what's that other one? The tricks for the kids. This smells just like rainbow cereal. So, if you're into that, pick this up. Got that. Then, I already used this. You know, honey. Your sis need help. But I already used this already. But I wanted to bring this to the table. This is Christmas Cookie. This is the body lotion, okay? I did not pick this up. And I'm so glad that I waited to the sale. But this is really, really good. I don't see it on the site anymore. So I'm glad I picked it up when I did, when it first opened. But this has your creamy cookie dough. I love a good cookie dough. Love a good cookie dough. And it has some caramel wood, some almond. Like, this is really good. And I'm not saving this for Christmas. I'm using it now because you know your sis like to smell like a cookie cake, caramel. You just know. I like a gourmand smell. You know your sis. If you don't know your sis, welcome. I love a good cookie smell. Cookie, cake, candy. That's me. Bees chasing. That's me. But this is really good. So I'm excited. And then I also did not need it, but I didn't know if it was going to come back again for the fall. So I wanted to prepare just in case. But I got the pumpkin pecan waffles. So I did see that this is going to come back in candle form. I'm not exactly sure if it's going to come back in body mist form or body care form. I would be happy if it did. I wouldn't need it because, again, your sis is not trying to get nothing just because of different packaging. Okay, we already said that. So if I can avoid that, then that's what I'm going to do. But this smells so good. So this is your maple syrup, your golden waffles. You got pumpkin spice, brown sugar. This is so good. So if you have it, you know what I'm talking about. This is fall cookie candy clearly Waffles, gourmand. Like, this is really good. Really good scent. I can't wait to... So this is, again, a backup. I have it, but, again, I don't know if it's coming back or not, but if it's not, your sis has it. Okay. I believe, yes, that is all that I got online from Bath and Body Works. So let's turn the page. Let's look at some Victoria's Secret SAS that I got, which is very few and far between. Okay. From Victoria's Secret, your sister got this Rosewater body wash. Okay. I have not ever used their body wash. So this will be my first experience with their body wash, but I actually wanted the milk. It was like a milk cream or a milk honey or a honey milk or something like that in a body wash, but they didn't have that on sale. I don't know if they do now, but when I went there, they didn't. But this smells just like a rose water, okay? And I'm excited to just try it. I don't know their texture. I will have to come back to you and let you know. But, yeah, I'm excited to try that. So I got that. Tropic Vanilla. Now you know why I got it. Vanilla. Okay. Honey, this smells so good. But this is like definitely summer ready. This is like I want to be on a vacation on a beach. This smells so good. This mixes vanilla with coconut to me. And it also gives me a little green. So I don't know if it has like a green note in here, but it also gives me a green. And it might be because it says coconut flower, maybe the flower petals of, I don't know. But it gives me a little green in this. But this is really good. So I'm excited to pair this with some of my fragrance that I have. Honey, Petal High. Who don't have this? Raise your hands. Who don't have this? So you need to get it now because I think this was like $4.99, $5.99, something like this. Get this. This has marshmallow flowers, elderberry nectar, dancing with the breeze. I don't know what dancing with the breeze is. We talked about this before in a past video. But this is so good. Yo, sis got a backup. What can I say? This is really good. Very much spring, summer. We are now into summer officially. But this is really good for a picnic. You know, if you're out, just a quick run. I mean, this is really good. Okay. Good. Then I got the Rainbow Shower. So I didn't know I already have this, but I have it already. But so this is a backup. It's fine. It smells really good. Like I'm mad that I didn't know I had this because this really gives me like dewy pear, but it gives me like a candy pear. Okay. And this is so pretty. I mean, from this line, it seems like this is the same line, but you all should pick this up. Highly suggested. This is so good. Very much out. This is so good. Out of shower, in the sheets. Okay. Moving on. I talked about her before. This is Bae. If you don't have it, I already told you, get in your car. Go get it now. Ain't it on sale? Did I get a backup? Yes, of course your sis got a backup. Why wouldn't I get a backup? So this was Rouge Elixir. Honey, this with an almond fragrance. If you have an almond fragrance, this is it. This is what you spray on before you put that almond fragrance. This is so good. This is Bae. Period. So this has red currant, almond cream, absolute decadence. I don't know what that smells like, but this is decadent. This is so good. Get this for your boo thing, you know, or your mama, your cousin, any birthdays coming up. This is what she wants. I actually purchased 2 of them because I gave one to one of my dancers who does my daughter's hair. Hey, girl. But I picked up one for her. Honey, this is so good. Okay, pick it up. And then from that same line, I got berry elixir. Amber, do you have this? Yes, I had it. Okay, fine. I had it. So this is another backup. But this is so good. Very much a true berry scent. Berry on top of berries. And it has vanilla bourbon in it. So it gives you almost, I don't want to say heavy or syrupy, but kind of gives me like a vanilla syrupy, and it might be the bourbon in that. I'm not sure, but it gives a thicker vanilla smell. But this is so good. Same line, so good. I would pick it up, my opinion. If you were trying to choose between one or the other, honey, both. But fine. Rose elixir, that would be my top, and then I would move to the berry elixir. So, really good. And they have lotions. If you want the lotions with it, they have that as well. Okay? That is it, guys. That is all for this haul. Thank you. Let me know what you all picked up. I would love to know if you all participate in the SAS sale, what you picked up. You saw my whole haul. I do not think I'm going to go back to the stores. I do not think I'm going to go back to the stores. I'm not promising yet. Because this is a real channel, honey. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm going to give you the real. And I said I don't think, but I'm not going to promise you. Okay. But that's all, family. Please comment, subscribe, give me the thumbs up, guys. I love you. Thank you for your support. Bye, family. See you next time.